Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a what is heavier and what floats science experiment. You're going to need some kind of oil. I'm using avocado oil, dish soap, any type of water, well, flat water, any type of dye, any type of honey, a tablespoon, and a jar. I bring this to all my YouTube videos. You can read it if you'd like. I noticed and wondered this year, sarsef.org. I got this badge from winning Sarsef first place. Let's start. You're going to take your tablespoon and you're going to measure some honey. You're going to measure about 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, let's measure. One tablespoon. It's hard to get exactly 1 tablespoon. It's fine if there's a little bit less. It's satisfying to watch it go down. You're going to want to get another spoon to scrape that. So with the other spoon, you're going to have to scrape all the honey out because honey is very sticky. Even if you don't get all of it, that should be okay. Try not to lick them off because when you do science, you use almost all of your senses except one. Can you guess what that is? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your taste sense. You're not going to taste in science, or else you might taste the wrong things, and that would not be good. Okay, now you're going to measure with your dish soap. Yes, it's in the same spoon, but you're still going to put it in there. It's fine. So about 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Try and put it on top of where your honey is. So you want to see as it floats. To see if it floats. Yep, it's floating. Hard to see there, but it is. You can look at your own one to be able to see it easier. Okay. Next, we're going to need water. So don't immediately dump it in. Do not do that. You've got your water and your dye. You're going to do about 1 drop of dye. You might want to ask your teacher. Depends on what he or she is comfortable with. 1 or 2 drops. But 1 is still a lot. You gotta mix it with that spoon you used for the honey. So now it's dyed water. Mine is blue. Sky blue. Try not to use too much. Now you're going to take your tablespoon, and again, take a tablespoon and put it on top. Ready. You might want to take more than a tablespoon. It doesn't fit the width of your jar like mine, which is kind of annoying. Okay, next we're going to use the vegetable oil next. Okay, this is something your teacher's got to do. It's going to be very hard, even if you're a 5th grader or a middle schooler and you're still doing this. Unless you're at home. If you're at home, I strongly suggest you get a grown-up for help. You're going to measure 1 tablespoon, teachers or parents or whoever's doing it. And you're going to put it in. Doesn't fit your width. again, you're going to put more in. Yeah. So we should put it in. It should be in the order that it's going. If you lift it up, you're going to see the layers. Let's study them and we'll identify them. So, see the bottom layer? Even if I flip it upside down, that's still going to say the bottom layer. It's the honey. The dish soap is there too. It's just very hard to see because it looks a lot like the honey. There is the blue water, and there's the vegetable oil. If you mix it, it's most likely still going to stay the same. That's it for our experiment. Let's start cleaning things up, and then we'll go to the fun fact. Okay, first question. You should all know this one. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Some of them, if they're hard, I'm going to give you 10 seconds, or if they're complete sentences. Okay, does a ton of feathers or a ton of planes? Which is heavier? A ton of feathers or a ton of planes? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Of course, it's both of them. I said a ton, and a ton is actually a measurement. Okay, next trivia fun fact question. Okay, this is our next one. Related to the last one. How many pounds are in a ton? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guess it, you're right. 2,000 pounds are in 1 ton.